Let's get your ice maker sparkling clean. Start by preparing citric acid descaling powder and all the necessary accessories. Then remove any ice left in the machine. Place the drain hole of the ice maker above a sink or bucket. Remove the drain plug to let ice maker fully drain. Once it's empty, make sure to fully insert the drain plug. Dissolve the citric acid descaling powder in water to make the cleaning solution. Now fill the water reservoir with cleaning solution. And close the lid. Press and hold the clean button for 3 seconds to start the self-cleaning program. This indicator illuminates, indicating that the ice maker to start the cleaning mode. This will run for about 5 minutes. Once it's done, drain the ice maker again and make sure to fully insert the drain plug. Refill the water reservoir with clean water and repeat the cleaning cycle at least twice to rinse out any residues. Clean the ice basket and ice scoop. Use a dry cloth to wipe the interior and exterior of the machine. Don't forget to descale your ice maker regularly.